guys, and welcome to our online class this week. I wanted to just walk you through a couple things that you'll see in the module so you know what to expect, and let's get started. So I know last week I put the study guide up and also the needs survey, and make sure you go back and reference your study guide right here. Pretty much outline everything you're going to find, the topics that you're going to find on the upcoming test. So go through the check marks and just make sure you have an understanding of those elements. You can find study material on all the PowerPoints throughout the semester. You can also use your textbook and any additional research that you want to do on your own to help you study for that. Back in the module, you'll see that I put the double entry journal assignment up. That's due submitted by the end of the day, actually that will be December 2nd. And in the directions you'll find the chapters listed that you should have a double entry journal for. Remember, you're looking to choose 3 passages that you can connect to in some way. Type the passages on the left side or excerpts from the text on the left side of your page. And then on the right side, you're going to either explain your rationale for the selection, describe your personal connection, or include your thoughts on that entry. And that is due by the end of the day, December 2nd. All right, and then the next thing you're going to see is the assignment for the week. So it's called Scoring Writing with the FSA rubric. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to a discussion board. And in the discussion board, you'll see a link to review the 4th and 5th grade FSA informative writing rubrics. Actually, I did not put that in there, so we will go visit that website right now, and I'll add that into the module. When you go to the link, it's going to take you to the, I think we're going to 5th grade, this page right here. What I'm asking you to do is to take some time and look through the rubric, which you'll find on page 6 and 7. And this is for the informative or explanatory type writing. We talked a little bit about this in class, where you have the 3 categories for scoring. This is going to be your purpose, focus, and organization, PFO. This will be your evidence and elaboration, EE. And then your third column is going to be your conventions. It's going to be your grammar, punctuation, spelling, all that good stuff. And it's only worth 2 points. That's why you don't see anything here. So what I'd like you to do is look over the rubric and then just pick a couple writing pieces to go through. Look over them yourself, and then at the bottom underneath each writing piece you will see an annotation where it gives you reasons and rationale for the score that it was given. So for example, this one had a 4, 4, and a 2, and then it gives you the explanation for why it got a 4, and a 2. If we scroll down, don't get dizzy here for a minute, but I'm going to scroll down a little bit to a paper that might need some help. Let's look at this. 3, 3, and a 2. If you look at the rationale, you'll see why it got a 3, and a 2. So just take some time, make sure you have an understanding of what's the difference between a 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 in your purpose, focus, organization, PFO, or evidence and elaboration, which is the EE component of the scoring guide. All right, so I've asked you in the discussion board to read over that document, not the whole thing, but just get an idea of how the scoring works. And then what you're going to do for the activity is click here, and that will open up a writing sample. So you're going to read this on your own. And then in the discussion board right here down below, you're going to reply with your score that you would give that paper. So remember, you have 3 categories to score on. PFO, purpose, focus, organization. Highest could be a 4, EE a 4, a C, conventions is going to be a 2. So you'll basically put your analysis here for the score that you would give the paper. And then you're going to respond to 2 other classmates' scores. You can agree, disagree, you can add some insight or input into their analysis, and that's what will get you your full participation points for the discussion board. So just to recap, you're going to go read over some 4th and 5th grade FSA informative writing pieces. make sure you have an understanding of the scoring process. Click here, which will take you to the essay. Score the essay, and then your post is going to be the score you would give it, and underneath each category you need to give a rationale for why you would give it that score. And you can cite specific examples in the text. That's what you'll be doing for the in-class final. You'll have an essay, a rubric, and I'm going to ask you to score it. Okay, and I think there's one more thing. Okay. So if we were meeting in class this week, we would have done a Kahoot in class, but because we're not, I put the Kahoot here for you. So what you'll notice when you click here is it's going to take you to a page, and I'm trying something new out with Kahoot. They have a new component called the Kahoot Challenge where I can actually send it out, and you guys will be able to play it without having to go into Kahoot or without me having to run the Kahoot game. So let me know how that works. But essentially, you would get Kahoot on your device. They did say download the app, so on an iPad or a phone or something like that. And then when you open this, it's going to say you've been challenged, and does tell you need the app. So you would open this up on your phone, and then the PIN code is right here to play the Kahoot game. So try that out and see how that works. If it does not work, there is kind of a fallback here. I put an explanation, I think I did in here, but if you go into Kahoot, if you have your own Kahoot account set up, or it's free so you can set your own up, if you're going to be in the classroom, you'll probably use it. And if you go into Kahoot, the actual just Kahoot website, and you search up this Kahoot game, you'll be able to find it, and then you can go through the answers and check the questions yourself. So that is the overview for this week's online class. I am here to answer questions as far as the study guide is concerned, and we will meet in class next week, December 3rd, for the final exam. So ask me questions if you're coming across things and you're not sure. If I can think of anything else this week, or I can come up with anything else for reviews, I'll go ahead and shoot those out to you guys in an email. Other than that, have a good week, and I will see you on December 3rd for our final. Bye.